In today's video, I am going to teach you how to record Microsoft Teams meeting. To get started, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Teams on the web. You want to be on the meetings area where you can join or start the meeting you need. Once the page loads, sign in if you are not already signed in, and then enter the meeting the same way you normally would, either by joining from your calendar or by opening the meeting link. After you are inside the meeting, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct session. It also helps to quickly check your microphone and camera, because the recording captures the audio that participants hear, and you want that to be clear. When you are ready to begin recording, look toward the meeting controls, usually along the top or bottom of the meeting window, depending on your layout. Next, find the More Options menu. This is the menu that contains additional meeting actions, and it is commonly shown as 3 dots. Click that menu to open the full list of meeting options. If you do not see it right away, move your mouse over the meeting window to reveal the controls, since they can hide when the screen is idle. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Start Recording. Click Start Recording to begin. Microsoft Teams will typically display a small notification to let everyone know that recording has started. This is normal, and it is important for transparency, since participants should be aware when a meeting is being recorded. Once the recording is active, continue with your meeting as usual. Speak clearly, and if you are presenting, consider pausing briefly when switching slides or sharing a new screen, since that helps the recording stay easy to follow. If you need to confirm that recording is still running, you can open the More Options menu again and look for recording-related controls or indicators. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.